Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. In this video, I'm going to go over this Dragon Prince Cryptomeria from the Southern Living Plant Collection. Look how perfect this little low doming conifer is in this container. Oh my gosh. I've covered several Cryptomeria on my channel. I've got a Yoshino Cryptomeria in my backyard, which becomes a giant tree. Mine is probably close to 40 feet tall at this point. And then I've got a Black Dragon Cryptomeria back here that I've kind of Dr. Seussed over time. That one can get 10 or 12 feet high. This is a dwarf, and it only gets 2 to 3 feet in height. It's a perfect little low dome. It'll get slightly wider than tall. This is a super tough little plant. Not a lot of conifers grow extremely well in the southeast United States, and this one is hardy in zones 6 to 9. Really great choice for tough conditions in the southeast. Makes a great container plant, makes an amazing foundation plant. Looks great with lots of other plants. It's soft to the touch, which is kind of nice. It's deer resistant, insect, disease resistant. Really super tough plant. I've covered another dwarf one on my channel called Globosa nana. I think I have a couple videos on the channel for it, and I mentioned this one in it. Globosa is a little bit of a looser form. It's a pretty plant for sure, but I had seen this one. I hadn't been able to put my hands on it, but you can see how just incredibly tight the growth habit is on this thing, just how perfect it is, with really almost no maintenance whatsoever. This is just how it grows. Really makes just a perfect little ornamental plant that you're just not going to have to do any maintenance to at all. Mound it up a little bit when you plant it if you have clay soils. So here's a close-up of this Dragon Prince Cryptomeria, and you can see the newer foliage is a lighter green color than the older foliage, and it really creates a nice little two-tone coloration. But you can see how compact it is, and again, like I say, it's soft to the touch, which, you know, a lot of conifers would be biting me here if I was reaching in there and grabbing it like that. This is going to prefer full sun. At least the more sun the better, at least 6 hours of sun every day. It's going to want to dry out between watering, so keep that in mind. If it's a bed that stays wet all the time, this may not be a great choice for that. You can lightly shear this in the late winter if you needed to. I don't think you're really going to need to do any pruning on it as long as you give it space to get, 4 feet wide or so. And then you can fertilize it in the late winter with a slow release fertilizer. And I've told you everything you need to know about this plant. It's really a little industrial, little low mounding ball, and it's a conifer that will take the heat in the southeast United States. Be on the lookout for this Dragon Prince Cryptomeria from the Southern Living Plant Collection. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for upcoming content.